So it's Miss Bloom, and this is how we're gonna plant our seeds. So Miss Bloom gave you some seeds, and so you're gonna want to find those. I don't know what kind of bag they might be in. Hopefully they're in a bag. And so you'll want the seeds that look like this. They're like the long seeds, and then some short seeds, like some really small round seeds. And then you'll want this. This is called the planter cup. It has two holes at the bottom. And then you're gonna want to get some water, just like a little cup of water. And then I think Miss Bloom also gave you some soil. So get the bag of soil that you got too. All right. All right. And so you're going to need like this the seeds that look like this. They're like long, but then there's some circle ones too. And then you'll need soil, a planter cup, and then you'll need some water. And then I'm measuring the water in a little thing that you use to measure medicine. You don't really need that. I'm just going to show you about how much water you might want to add. And then the other thing I have is a cup. So you can use a plastic cup. What's going to happen is we'll put our planter cup in the plastic cup like that. And you don't actually need a planter cup. Or sorry, you don't need a regular cup. You can use just kind of any sort of just container. And I'll kind of show you why in a little bit to show how the planter cups work. So first, oh, and then you see how I have something underneath in case it spills. See, water already spills. There's dirt and soil and everything. So put like a piece of newspaper or paper, or I mean maybe put something down, or just get ready to be sure that you're going to clean up afterwards. All right, because everything might spill. Even if you're trying to be neat as possible, things might spill. So here is some soil going in. I'm going to tamp it down a little bit more. There we go. All right, and then we are going to put our seeds. Now, there are two types of seeds in here. These long ones, those are ryegrass seeds. So they're ryegrass seeds, those long ones. And then the small ones, those are alfalfa seeds. And you're just going to sprinkle them. I don't even think you need to use everything that you got in your bag, to be honest. You want just like a pinch. Yeah, you don't, yeah, in fact, I wouldn't use all of these. I don't know. You want like an even layer. There we go. But yeah, you don't really need. Yeah, I wouldn't use all like more than that really. I really wouldn't. Um, it's gonna fall. Um, yeah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't put more than that, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think you need more than that. And then hopefully you have some soil left, and then you'll just sprinkle it. Sprinkle just a little layer on top. There we go. Just a little layer. All right. And then here's how it's going to work. So you're going to put your planter cup just in like that container that you're going to keep it in, because we're going to add water now. You probably know that plants need water. Probably know. And this is about 2 tablespoons of water, and we'll just kind of eyeball it. I just want to get the top of the soil moist. Just get everything kind of all, and then you see how the water is dripping through, and this is why we need a container underneath. Um, and then the good thing is, because the holes are down there, extra water can drip down. But then the other thing that can happen is you can put water in the cup, and then water will absorb up into the container. So it works both ways. You can see now the water's spreading through the container. And this is what you need to do to plant to plant your seeds. I haven't really said what they're going to be. I said it's ryegrass and alfalfa, but you maybe don't even know what that is. But we're gonna see. I mean, that's kind of the good thing about that's the good thing about this is you'll see what happens. And there you go.